Volcano! That volcano is gonna erupt. We should leave now.
Calm down, Finn. This is your new toy. I made it for you.
Really?
Absolutely yes. But before I tell you about this, let's say hi to all our friends. Hello everyone. I'm Nancy.
And I'm Finn.
Welcome to Home Fun for Kids episode 3. Home Fun for Kids is broadcast every Sunday at 2 p.m. on Facebook fan page.
And Home Fun for Kids is an interesting science show which is sponsored by iSMART Education. You can easily do all the activities with the things that you can find at home.
In this show, you will see the tutorials of various fascinating experiments taken from physics, biology, and chemistry. If you guys missed the last 2 episodes, you can find them on YouTube channel, ITO, or iSMART Facebook fan page.
And remember, we have prepared plenty of special gifts for you guys at the end of the show. Don't miss it!
Thank you, my little student, for writing this lovely letter. We love this idea so much, and this week we're gonna do an active volcano or a real volcano.
Active volcano?
Yeah? Do you know what it is, Finn?
I remember when I swam over Japan. I saw some volcanoes and they are still working, but I'm not sure what is it called.
Let me tell you. When a volcano is awake, it's called active, and when a volcano is asleep, it's called dormant.
Wow, that sounds fantastic!
It's complicated than the work we normally do, but I guarantee the result will be great.
Alright, let's do it! I can't wait no more!
Before we start, please follow our safety guideline. First, you need to wash your hands properly before and after doing this.
Second, get help from your parents.
Next, be careful with the sharp things like knives or scissors.
Then, do not eat, drink anything, and never put anything in your eyes or into your mouth.
Clean up when you finish, and
finally, use personal protective equipment needed, such as hat, gloves, glasses. Oh wow! Look what we got here, Nancy!
I told you not to worry. I'll guide you every single step.
Okay, Nancy.
Today, the experiment includes 2 parts.
Number 1,
making volcano model.
And number 2,
creating volcano eruption. First, to make a volcano model, we need a cardboard box like this. You can easily find it at home to recycle it. We need a bottle of Coke, old papers, white glue, watercolors, and water.
Then there are some more tools that we also need. A glue gun, Mentos, a pair of scissors, tape, brushes, a spoon, a pencil, and a ruler. Alright, it's enough. Let's do it! So what should we do first?
First, we take out the cardboard box and mark it at 15 centimeters high outside the box. Then, we draw a line around the box by matching the mark points. And after that, we use the scissors to cut the box along the line drawn. We have a box like this. Then, we cover the box in tape. That's it.
So now we finish the first step. It's only a small part of the model, Nancy.
Ta-da! Now the box is covered in tape. For the next step, we're gonna stick the bottle of Coke in the middle of the box using glue gun. Like this. We're gonna crumple up some pieces of newspaper or used paper into a rock shape. And place them around the bottle, like this. Now, we cover the pieces with tape, starting from the bottle neck to the bottom of the box to make the shape of the volcano. Be careful not to stick anything on the lid of the bottle.
It's complicated, Nancy. Kids, you should ask for help from your parents. Lucky that I have Nancy here with me.
Now we finished this part. Now we also add 9 spoons of glue. And then we mix it all together. And that's it.
Nancy, how about the next step?
For the step 4, please wear your gloves. We're gonna tear the newspaper into pieces and cover them in glue. Then you stick them into the bottle. All we have to do is wait for 8 hours until it's dry.
Yeah, Nancy, we're on the way. Hurry up, hurry up.
Finn, I have a question for you. When we mix white with black, let's guess what color does it make?
Is it blue, Nancy?
Good try. We'll see the result. When we mix white with black, it makes gray. Now we're gonna paint the model twice. When it dries at the first time, you're gonna paint the second time. Little Finn, now we can make some lava around the crater using glue gun. Alright, you can also add some lava float along the model. Like this. But be careful, do not eat or drink or put anything into your eyes or your mouth.
Well, we almost done now for the volcano model. You're so great, Nancy.
Step 7, we're gonna decorate the lava by coloring red. We also color some more details gray to make it become more lively.
I know. It's my favorite part. It looks perfect, Nancy.
Now this is the part that we're all waiting for.
Oh, I'm so nervous. Will this work?
Trust me, it will be gorgeous. Step 1, you open the lid. Step 2, you're gonna take out 5 metals and put them in a paper tube. Then you're gonna pour it as fast as possible. Are you ready, Finn?
I'm so ready. Let's do it.
The eruption will happen immediately.
It's flying up! 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 It's flying up!
We made it!
You're right! It's amazing, Nancy!
Finn, do you know the reason for the eruption is complicated? It's because the coke contains a lot of gas called carbon dioxide. The gas is mixed with the liquid. That's why you can see a lot of small bubbles in the liquid part of the coke.
And Mentos is very smooth, right? But it has many holes on its surface. These holes collect the gas in the liquid. Then they push the gas out of the bottle.
Besides coke and Mentos, you can also use vinegar or baking soda to make a volcano.
Finally, remember when a volcano pushes the lava out of it? Is this called
an eruption?
Everyone, now let's review all the vocabulary that we've learned today. A cardboard box. A cardboard box. A big bottle of Coke. A big bottle of Coke. Water. Water. Watercolors. Watercolors. Brushes. Brushes. White glue. White glue. Tape. Tape. Glue gun. Glue gun. Mentos. Mentos. Spoon. Spoon. Scissors. Scissors. Ruler. Ruler. Pencil. Pencil. Old papers. Old papers. Remember to learn by heart and practice more at home. Now it's time for quiz and prize. Listen carefully to the question and answer by comment below. What makes Finn scared at the beginning? A. A volcano. B. Nancy. C. A shark.
Các bạn ơi, sau khi hoàn thành sản phẩm theo các bước cùng Finn và chị Nancy, các bạn nhớ thực hiện những bước cuối cùng như sau nhé. Chụp hình sản phẩm và quay lại quá trình thực hiện hoàn chỉnh. Gửi về hộp thư sự kiện a.ismart.edu.vn.
Và các em đừng quên ghi chú họ tên, trường lớp và tỉnh để nhận được những phần quà thật hấp dẫn từ iSMART Education nhé. Ok, we will see you next week.
Goodbye!
Home Fun for Kids will be broadcast every Sunday at 2 p.m. on Facebook fan page.